Hello everyone, it's Adam here. We have an Altrider headlight guard for the GS, R1250GS. We're going to install on the R1250GS because I heard it fits. So let's take this over and let's see on the bike. My setup's going to be a little different than yours because I have like basically carte blanche here to get everything. So you'll see right here there is a hole right there where you can't see it if the fairing is on, but you can see it if you look through there. That is where this is going to hook into. So top of this goes into the T30 on the fairing. Bottom of this hooks in down there. And you snake that in on both sides. Same thing on this side. There's your bottom piece right here. And your top piece right there. So snake those in and you're done basically. I'll show you the final product when we're done. So pretty easy install as long as you have lots of space. If you don't have lots of space, it's going to be a problem. So you're going to drop in these hat spacers in the hole right there. So I have so much sadness for you guys that don't have the fairing there. And then you're going to drop the, I forgot my piece. You're going to bring the mount here. They are side specific. You're going to slide it in just like that. You'll notice up top, we've already removed those screws. And then you're going to take your 5mm hex and you're going to put it underneath here and just screw it right in. Put a little thread locker on there as well. For now, both of these are just finger tight. You want to make sure that you do the top button first to make sure that lines up, and then you can tighten down the bottom one. At this point, these are really solid. They're not going anywhere. If you have fairing, around there, it's harder to get to, but you can do it if you grab some pliers and kind of snake those, or if your fingers kind of snake those into those holes, then come up from the bottom. You can do it. So then you grab, if you have the polycarbonate or the Lexan, it's the same instructions, but you just grab the back of these little grommets here and push those in like that. It's a two-handed operation. If you don't do it well, what you'll end up doing is you'll have some of this grommet here coming out the other side. So if that happens, if you have some older grommets like me, you may need to put a little grease on there to get them in. With some slow motions, we're installed, just like that. So the Altrider R1250GS, I can confirm at least from here, headlight guard, does work with a 1250. So if you can find a 1200 online, a 1200 headlight guard that's used, it will fit, and you can save yourself some money there, which is what I did. Well, I moved it from my old bike to this one, but yeah, as usual, Altrider has good stuff. I like their fit and finish and their angle more than Touratech's. It's just personal preference. This is a little flimsy, but all it's trying to do is just keep rocks from direct hitting your headlights. It does cast a shadow, but if you have enough LEDs like I'm about to have, it's not a problem. All right, everyone, thanks for watching, and thanks Altrider for not sponsoring this video. That's not being passive aggressive. I already bought this years ago.